Here's how to find your Squarespace website link on the web. There are a few different methods, so let's go through them in order. The first method is for finding your main site URL. Click on Settings in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Once Settings opens, scroll down until you find the Domains section, then click on Domains to open it. This takes you to the Domain Management dashboard. In this dashboard, look for the primary label next to one of your domains. That's your main site URL. You'll see your built-in domain listed here, which looks like yoursiteed.squarespace.com. Even if you've connected a custom domain, your built-in domain will always show in your browser address bar when you're logged in. If you see your domains listed in the dashboard with the primary label next to one of them, you've found your main site link. If that's not what you need, the next method is for getting a shareable URL for a specific page. When you're logged in, the URL showing in your address bar won't work for other people. If they click it, they'll just see a Squarespace login screen instead of your actual page. Here's the fix. Go to the page you want to share while you're logged into your site. Look for the arrow icon, usually in the top left corner of your screen, and click it to enter full preview mode. Once you're in full preview, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. If you have a custom domain connected to your site, you'll need to replace the built-in domain in that URL with your custom domain before sending the link out. You'll see the page slug appear after your domain name in the address bar, so you know you've got the right URL. Still need another option? The third method uses incognito mode, which works particularly well for pages that display in your navigation. Open a private or incognito window in your browser. Without logging into Squarespace, navigate to the page you want to share by going to your site and clicking through to that page. Copy the URL directly from the address bar. This URL is already in the correct format for sharing. Just paste it wherever you're sending it, whether that's social media, an email, or anywhere else. The advantage of this method is you see exactly what your visitors will see when they click the link, so you know it works before you share it. Always double-check the URL you're copying before you share it. If you have a custom domain connected, that'll be your primary shareable link. If not, use your built-in Squarespace domain. And there you have it. That's how to find your Squarespace link. Thanks for watching. See you next time.